Hi guys, welcome to Real Cubing, and now this is my second scratch tutorial or video. So yeah, previously I was making about the smooth gliding for any of you who need it, and now I'm going to make joystick controls by me, Real Cubing or Real Coding. So yeah, I'm starting scratch, so please wish me luck, and I mean help me to reach 100 subscribers because I started making videos on Scratch and I'm a professional scratcher. I might show you my games and my games and my other videos. So yeah, let's start. We don't need Scratchy Cat right now. We need to make a joystick. So first, let's make a joystick. So we're not gonna make a joystick right now. We're going to make the background, that panel of the joystick. So here, now no outline. You can make decorate it however you like it. So we have to make a big circle, even bigger, and snap it to the center. Now fill it with whatever you want to fill it. I'm gonna fill it like this. What do you think? Okay, now let's make it go to a specific position. I think we have to make this a bit bigger. So why not even plan how to make a joystick, guys? I'm just figuring out how to make this now. So yeah, we have to make it go to... Oh, this is too far. When flag, now we are going to just code this thing. When flag clicked, go to x negative 170, y negative 120. So here, if you're gonna put a joystick anywhere else, like here or here, you can just make that. Now I'm making it over here. Yeah. Now this is my joystick. Now I need to make. No, this is the joystick panel. Now I need to make the joystick thing, the white color. So I'm gonna make a small circle now without any outline. It should be a different color, and snap it to the center. Yeah, a little bigger. Next we are gonna fill it. Let's fill it with some. So I'm gonna fill it in some gradients, like a little darker one. Now let's see. This is my joystick. So yeah, I think I want a different color for this thing. So this one, you have to snap it to the center. Now let's name this one Joystick. Now we need this one Joystick pin. I don't know what that's called, but I'm calling it joystick pin. So now let's go to the joysticks control. One flag clicked, go to joystick pin. Now we have to make a character also. I'm just gonna make this dude. A stick man. Yeah, I don't think it's visible in this screen. I'm just gonna make a box in my favorite color, lime. You can make a character of however you like. So yeah, and I kinda hate that one outlines. So yeah, this is just a testing box. Yeah, we need it a little bigger. So now we need to make this go a little back. Go to back now. Yeah, let's start and see what it's like till now. This is what it looks like. But now we need the joystick panel to be a little transparent. So go to joystick panel and set ghost effect to 50. Go to this, set ghost effect to 30. Let's see what it looks like. Yeah, not that visible. So let's set ghost effect to, no need to set ghost effect to 0. But for this pane, set ghost effect to 20. What does it look like? I don't think I set any ghost effect to this. But yeah, also we need a background so that we could just see what you are doing. Let's make this a little blue for some reason to represent some sky. Yeah, now there is it. There it is. Now this is our joystick, which doesn't work by now. So first let's go to this sprite and call it player. Spelling mistake here. Now when flag clicked, go to X0, Y0. So that will start in the middle of the screen. And the joystick, now we need it to work forever. So if touching mouse pointer, and if it's touching mouse pointer and the mouse is down, no, if touching mouse pointer, so if you're touching it, it will do something, it will go to the mouse. So next we need another thing, if else inside it. Now we need this thing, joystick panel, to check if the mouse is inside it or outside it. So if now we need this forever loop. Now if touching, now we need a variable. Yeah, this is from my previous video. Mouse, we call it mouse in panel. Pane. Yeah, if the mouse is inside the pane. Now set mouse in pane to 0 for no reason. If touching mouse pointer, set mouse in pane to 1. Else set mouse in pane. Else we will set mouse in pane to 0. So yeah, if we are touching the mouse pointer, this thing, we are showing that the mouse is inside it or the mouse is not inside it. Now if mouse in pane equals 1, then go to mouse pointer. So yeah, this go to mouse pointer. Now if mouse in pane is not, if mouse is not in the pane, go to mouse pointer, then point towards mouse pointer, point towards mouse pointer, move 20 steps. It's according to how big this is. I not check it yet. Maybe 30. So first let me test it. So first, before that we have to put repeat until not mouse down. See, we are going to repeat this. Not this. Repeat until not mouse down. So yeah, we will put this over here. Now let's see how this works. Yeah, it works. Wait, what? I'm not setting this. Oh yeah. Sorry about this. I not meant to do. Yeah, I meant to do this, but before that we have to go to joystick pane. Now let's see how this works. So yeah, also yeah, let's put this 50. Yeah, it works. Now we control the joystick. Now we need it after we leave it to go back to the center. So repeat until not mouse down. Next we need to go to joystick. And then we are done. Let's see how this works. Yeah, this works pretty well. So yeah, now we need to now we've completed the joystick, like how it works, not works, like how the mouse and the joystick work together. Now we need to make it how it can control a player. So now we need 2 more variables. No, cancel. We need this called move X. Wait, I'm not typing. Why am I not typing? Wait, let me fix that for a moment. Okay, now I can type. So move. No, I not meant to do that, sorry. We need this called joystick X. Now this is joystick X. Now we need another one called joystick Y. So now we need 2 variables. Next we need to make the set joystick X to 0, set joystick Y to 0 when we start this. Why am I putting this in here? Here, player, set joystick X, set joystick Y to 0. Do this in player, okay? Next we need to do this forever loop. But before we do that, we have to go to joystick. Now when I make a new one like this, when I start, when flag forever, set joystick X, set joystick Y. Now what's the X position and Y position of the joystick? So the X position is -170. So we need to do set joystick X to X position plus -170. So yeah, we are minusing the X position with the X position with it is. So yeah, set joystick Y to Y position minus, now what's the Y position? -120. So Y position minus -120. Now let's see. We need this forever. Change X by Wait, change. Change XY. And also we need another one. Change Y by joystick X, joystick Y. But for this, let's put x position plus 70 divided by 10. No, not divided by 5. Then divide again. Again this thing divided by 5. So we cannot make it go too fast. Let's put it divided by 7. Now change X by joystick X, change Y by joystick Y. Now see how this work? Oh wait, what's happening? Yeah, let's see if there's any error. Change Y by joystick. Now what is this? What's joystick X right now? Huh? Wait. My position minus. Oh, sorry guys. We are not supposed to do negative. If it's in positive, if the X position is negative, we have to put positive. And if again 120, not negative 120. Now let's make it again. Now see what this is? 0. Now let's try it. Yes, the joystick is working. My first try. So yeah, this code is by me, Real Cubing or Real Coding. Now you have successfully made your joystick control. Thanks for watching. And maybe next tutorial I might be teaching you how to do cloning, like you can make tracks, for example like this. Wee, look at this, it has a speed trail. So yeah, I'll be doing this in my next video maybe. And yeah, it's pretty simple. So yeah, at least I made the joystick controls by figuring it out myself right now. So yeah, if you think this tutorial was useful, like and subscribe and help me reach 100 subscribers before 2026. Bye.